One thing do I teach, O my disciples, suffering and deliverance from suffering. It was in this way that Gautama the Buddha, living in the 6th century BC, gave the gist of his whole teaching. And it's for this reason that many have called it a way of escape.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Megan B, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'll be doing a Get Ready With Me birthday edition. I hope you guys really enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get right into it. So I'm going to start off by using my coconut milk cleansing wipes that I got from TJ Maxx. And I'm going in with my simple micellar cleansing water. And I'm just getting rid of all of that excess dirt, crust in the middle of your eyes, all that kind of stuff to start off with a really cleansed face. So now I'm going in with my Bio Miracle Brown Rice Cleansing Foam that I also got from TJ Maxx. Then I'm going in with my cleansing sponge. It has turmeric and witch hazel in it, and I got that from Walmart. I honestly don't like this too much because it is very flimsy, but I bought it, so we're gonna make do. Now I'm just using my silicone mascara ones that I got from the beauty supply store. Then I'm going to go in with that micellar water and just cleansing my lash extensions. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to put moisture back into my skin. As you can tell, I get all of my products from TJ Maxx. I do not have a staple brand or product that I use consistently, but I do go in a specific order, and that's just simply a serum, an under eye cream, a massage roller, moisturizer, facial oil, and facial mist. So now moving on to the hair. This part is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just touching up my ponytail, laying down my flyaways, laying down my baby hairs, and touching up the actual ponytail. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, so I suck at makeup. So I am going in with the e.l.f. Moisture Lock Primer. Also, my products are really cheap because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So Why not start with cheap stuff? I am using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. This is the color 340. Okay, so I went and changed locations and I'm by the window, which originally what I wanted to do, but I completely forgot. So I already did my foundation. Now I'm going to do the concealer. I have the e.l.f. concealer in the color Tan Latte. Like I said, I do not have a beauty blender, so we're just going to have to use my foundation brush for this whole process. Let's zoom in, and my lips look so ashy. Boom, boom. And I'm just going to, I'm using like this flat part to blend, like pat it in like I would my beauty blender, and then kind of stroke it. I just really think brushes leave a stroke. It's hard to, like, it takes longer to blend. Alright, next. See, I don't like how this applies on. Now it's just a big old, yeah. See, with my beauty blender, I just pat in this little area to give me some type of forehead. That's good enough. Now I'm going to set it, bake it, whatever, with my powder. And now you look like a ghost. If you don't look like a ghost, you're not doing it right. Alright, now that I'm letting that sit, I'm gonna go in and do my brows. I don't do much because I don't have to do much, but when I do go a little extra mile is when they are either when someone does them wrong, which that doesn't happen anymore, but in the past someone has done my brows wrong. They either cut these off for some reason, so I have to go in and create the end point, or they'll mess up somewhere up in here and I'll have to create like my shape again. But other than that, I have a good not lash tech, but brow tech now, brow lady, so she doesn't mess up my brows. If I'm being extra, all I do is like highlight up under here, so I can do like a nice little highlight, but that's pretty much it. And then I bought me some gel so I can slick them down. I also bought this, it's the NYX Dip Shape and Go brow thing, so I don't know, I just be buying stuff. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kiss concealer for my brows underneath. I don't know what color this is. It's light beige, and I'm just going to put it on my, I really feel like I know I'm doing all this like stuff wrong. The application, I don't really care. All I'm going to do is lightly follow this. Once I do that, once I conceal my brows, I'll go in with my spoolie and just I get my brows waxed, by the way. I used to get them threaded, but yeah, I really like wax. It seems like waxing lasts way longer than threading. I don't know why, but yeah. I also forgot to spray my face after I baked it. We're gonna spray it anyway. So this is also another really cheap makeup. It's Ruby Kiss by Kiss. It is just a mineral powder, like a all over powder that matches my skin tone, and I absolutely love this. I used this, what was that, I think like freshman sophomore year of college, I don't know, when I really started kind of trying to experiment with makeup. But all I was using was this. Like, I wasn't using foundation, I wasn't using concealer. This was just, I would place this on my face and go. But I actually like this, so I use this as a all over powder to kind of put some more color back into my face. I guess I don't do eyes, but today I am, but I'm going to make it really subtle. Alright, so I am using the Milani eyeshadow palette. I got this from Target. It just has these very neutral tones to it, like nudes and stuff, which I absolutely love. So I'm just gonna do some. I'm just going to, I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. So I'm pretty much done. So now I'm just gonna bronze my face, which I absolutely love bronzing. That's like my alternative to what's it called, contouring. I dang sure don't know how to do that. So I'm going in with the NYX matte bronzer. This is the color Deep Tan, and I'm just using an angled brush. Now we're gonna highlight, and I don't know, oh, Ruby Kisses again. This is in the color Bronze Glow, beauty supply store. So lastly is my lip. I think I want to do nude. I'm gonna line my lips with this Kiss New York lip liner in the color Dark Brown. Let's get close and personal. See, what's that? Oh, I was like, bro, what's that? That's the whatchamacallit. I'm going in with this Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream from Black Radiance in the color Sexy Siren. I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Paris in the color Explore. So I have this Milani Ludicrous lip gloss, which is a really pretty lip gloss, and She's All That. Bumped on me off. Alright, that's as good as we gonna get today. Alright. ASMR for you.
Something about you that's so familiar. Something that's got me wanting to know you. And I can't put my finger on it, but it feels more like I've been here before. It's something about me that makes me wonder. I swear I met you, but you're a stranger, and I can't put my finger on quite what it is. Oh, but I've been here before. Maybe it was me. myself, but I pretend. I've even not come back again. Now I'm all fool for you. I love you time and time again. I know just how the story ends up for you. I love you time and time again. I know just how the story ends up. Oh, you remind me of someone I once knew. Baby, I'm crazy, but it's hard to ignore you. And I can't wrap my head around it, but it feels oh like I loved you before.